In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MyFitnessPal promo code. This process is straightforward and will help you unlock premium features for your fitness journey. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your preferred web browser and search for MyFitnessPal. You can use any search engine such as Google or Bing. Once the search results appear, look for the official MyFitnessPal website. It usually appears at or near the top of the list. This step is crucial as it ensures you are accessing the legitimate website. Be cautious of any ads or misleading links that could lead to unsafe sites. Now, click on the link to navigate to MyFitnessPal's homepage. This will set the stage for the rest of the process. Next, once you're on the MyFitnessPal homepage, locate the Login button. Click on it to enter your credentials. If you already have an account, you will need your email and password. Enter this information carefully and click on the Submit button. If you do not have an account yet, you may need to create one first. This is important because logging in is necessary to apply your promo code. You want to ensure that your account is secure and your information is protected. After logging in, you will be ready to proceed to the next step. Now directly visit the official MyFitnessPal promo code redemption portal. You can do this by typing the URL into your browser's address bar or by following a link provided on the MyFitnessPal website. The redemption portal is where you will input your promo code. This portal is specifically designed for applying codes, making it easy to unlock premium features. Once you access this page, you'll see a box where you can enter the promo code. This step is essential because it ensures that you can take full advantage of your promo code benefits. After reaching the redemption portal, it's time to type or paste your code into the provided box. Make sure to double-check the code for any errors, as even a small mistake can prevent it from being accepted. Once you have entered the code correctly, click the Apply button. This action will activate your promo code and your premium subscription status will automatically sync and transfer across all your devices. This means you can enjoy premium features on your phone, tablet, or computer without any hassle. This seamless integration is a significant time saver and enhances your overall experience with the app. Once you click Apply, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your promo code has been successfully redeemed. This confirmation reassures you that your changes are saved and you can now access premium features. If for some reason the code does not work, double-check for any typos or expiration dates. Remember, promo codes can have specific terms and conditions, so ensure you meet all requirements. In summary, you have now learned how to use your MyFitnessPal promo code effectively. By following these steps, you can enhance your fitness journey with premium features that will help you track your nutrition and progress. Thank you for watching and enjoy your MyFitnessPal experience.